Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Changing the name of your iPhone Bluetooth is a simple yet effective way to personalize your device. This name will be displayed when you connect to other devices, making it easier to identify your iPhone. Open the Setting app on your phone, then navigate to General Settings. Within the General Setting, tap on About. This section contains information about your iPhone, including its current name. At the top of the About screen, tap on the Name field. This will open a test feed with your current iPhone name. Tap on the X button to clear the existing name, then type in your new desired name. After entering your new name, tap Done on the keyboard to save your changes. The next step is to verify Bluetooth name. To ensure the new name is applied to your Bluetooth, go back to the main setting menu. Tap on Bluetooth and look at the list of available devices. Your iPhone should now display the new name. Changing the Bluetooth name on your iPhone is a quick and straightforward process that can help you easily identify your device when connecting to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.